Are you tired of your slow running laptop, your games does not run smoothly, or your laptop is tied to a power socket most of the time? Then you must have a laptop whose performance levels are not matching up to your requirement. If you are in the market and you are looking for a laptop upgrade or looking for a totally new one, then first thing you should ask yourself, how much and how will you use your laptop? Deciding the performance levels in a laptop requires a lot of research, and if it is not done properly, then you might end up getting a slow or sluggish laptop. Today we will discuss the different factors that can affect an overall performance of a laptop. Performance of a laptop is a combination of 5 major components in a laptop. First one is the processor, then RAM, the inbuilt storage, the graphics card and the battery. The processor or a CPU is the brain of any computer, and choosing the right processor is a very crucial decision in deciding the performance of your device. Well, good news is there are only two main competitors in the processor making business. The first one is the Intel and the second one is the AMD. So choosing a right company should not be a big deal for you. But wait, these companies also offers different models and generations for their processors that might lead to confusions among some of the users. Going forward, you can note down that the cores and the clock speed range of a processor in gigahertz determines the computing speed and performance of a processor. So the higher the cores and the CPU clocking number, the better the performance of that CPU will be. Now if we talk about the first company, Intel. Intel offers Intel Atom, Intel Celeron, Intel Pentium, Intel Xeon and the most popular Intel Core processors. Intel Core series of processors are the most popular and widely available for general users in the market. Intel Xeon processors offer the highest performance, but they are mostly focused for servers and workstations. Laptops with Intel Pentium and Intel Celeron are mostly budget-oriented laptops. While on the other hand, Intel Atom is also one of the processors that is mostly built for small, inexpensive devices. Now if we talk about the Intel Core family of processors, Intel i9 dominates the chart with up to 8 cores being offered by the chip, while i3 is the lowest in the family with up to 2 to 4 cores being offered. On the other hand, we have AMD who also offers different series of processors such as A, FX and Ryzen. Ryzen is the most popular series of AMD with Ryzen 9, 7, 5 and Ryzen 3 being offered by the company. These series of processors are equivalent to Core i9, i7, i5 and i3 respectively. Again, if you want to learn different naming schemes and the processors being offered by both of these companies, I will drop a link in the description below. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, without which your computer won't be able to load applications in your system. All the data stored in the RAM is a temporary data and it provides super fast data access to a computer when demanded. RAM in a laptop comes in a typical sizes of 4GB, 8GB or 16GB, while some laptop also offers additional slots for expansion. So in a system, more RAM means more power to your multitasking and faster application loading time. Apart from size of the RAM, look for the different RAM speeds denoted in megahertz, where higher numbers denote faster data access on a RAM. There are basically two types of RAM found in a modern laptop. The first one is the DDR4 and the second one is the DDR3. DDR4 are modern RAM which are more efficient, provides faster data access and also consumes less power compared to a DDR3. On the other hand, DDR3 is soon going to be replaced by DDR4. My advice here for you will be to buy a laptop which provides an additional slots for RAM upgrades in future. This is because in future system OS and applications are going to get upgraded, so they will eventually demand for more memory to run smoothly. This will make your system future proof. For data storage, a laptop uses a hard disk drive, a solid state drive or a combination of these drives. Solid state drive or SSDs are modern storage solutions for a computer. They provide much faster data access. They also provide superior performance and durability compared to a hard disk drive. On the other hand, hard disk drives have moving parts inside them to read the data. You can get much more hard disk storage at a lesser price. If you are going for a hard disk drive, you may get much more storage at a very lesser price. Hard disk drives have moving parts inside them and they are less energy efficient. You can also go for a hybrid storage solution by choosing a combination of hard disk drive and a solid state drive. To provide faster access to a file, Windows and other important applications can be loaded on an SSD, while your other unimportant files such as movies or images can be moved into a hard disk drive. The battery capacity in the laptop is measured in watt hours, where higher numbers means more power backup. However, you should also note the bigger the battery, the more heavier the laptop is going to be. Battery backup also depends upon the different application settings and the usage of the laptop. Certain activities such as games, rendering or video editing can drain the device battery faster. A powerful CPU is going to handle all the complex instructions and multitasking in a system. The GPU on the other hand is responsible for handling all the graphical output appearing on your device screen. You may be wondering why your favorite game is not running, and if running, then why with a poor FPS? This may be because your laptop requires more GPU power to run intense graphic activities. A laptop can handle graphics by an integrated solution provided on the processor itself or a dedicated graphics card. Intel and AMD both provide integrated graphic solutions on most of their CPU, while advanced laptop users uses a discrete or a dedicated GPU who wants to push the device limit beyond their day-to-day tasks. Nvidia and AMD are the two popular companies who manufactures GPU for computers. Similar to a RAM, the GPU adds virtual RAMs to your system, where more gigabytes means a powerful graphics card. With a powerful graphics card in your laptop, you may be able to run games in full HD or even 4K without any hiccups. In the end, I hope you like this video. This video may help you in choosing the best performance components for your upcoming laptop.